Hi, welcome to my channel with me Lily CK. So today we are going to learn how to start using asking and giving opinion in English. But before we start to the topic, please press the button subscribe. Alright everyone, have you ever been asked by a friend or gave your opinion about something? And do you wonder what phrases that you start to use to asking and giving opinion in English? So first, here we have to knowing what is asking and giving opinion. So what is asking opinion? Here you ask somebody's opinion on something, or you can have people's perspective about things. I put three example phrases of asking opinion. What are your thoughts on blah blah blah? So you can put your own words to make it become sentences. So the second, what do you think of blah blah blah? So you can use this one for making your asking opinion. And third one, do you feel about blah blah blah? So on. So you can use these phrases for making asking opinion. For example, one sentence that I put here, what do you think of my new haircut? So what do you think about my new haircut? So new haircut here, you can just become, what do you think about my new shoes? Or what do you think of my new dress? It depends on you. The second is giving opinion. What is giving opinion? Giving opinion means you give people what you think or ideas about things that they ask you about. For three example phrases here. Personally, I think blah blah blah. In my opinion, blah blah blah. As far as I am concerned, blah blah blah. For one example sentence about giving opinion here. Personally, I think your haircut is look great. So everyone, you can use this one for one example of giving opinion. Alright everyone, let's see asking and giving opinion list. We start from asking opinion. There are a few phrases that we have to use in asking opinion. Alright, what are your thoughts on? What is your point of view? What or how do you think about? What is your opinion? What is your idea? How do you think of? Do you have any? Do you have opinion of? That is for asking opinion. And the second is giving opinion. Alright. From my opinion view, in my opinion, I think or personally I think in my mind, I strongly believe that as far as I'm concerned, to be honest. So there is asking and giving opinion list. So the next is conversation. In the conversation, there are two girls are talking each other about new grocery store that opened. Have you heard the new grocery store that opened a few days ago in the middle of downtown? Yes, I have. Why? They said it has fresh and healthy things there. What do you think? In my opinion, it seems like others grocery store, but there has special discount for few days. Oh, really? Let's go by there.
Alright, everyone, you can see asking and giving opinion in the conversation just now. In the first sentence, what do you think? That is for asking opinion. And in the second sentence is in my opinion. Alright, I think that's all. Please use asking and giving opinion in the list to make your sentence better. Thank you.